is Sunday, November 13th, and the current temperature on the thermostat is 49 degrees outside. It is very cold and blustery here after a storm that came through this week. We got some rain, but yesterday we were sweating working outside trying to get the greenhouse together. And today it's freezing cold. We were trying to plant a fresh garden in the front of heuchera in multicolors to go along a walkway that we're trying to get in. But we have so many projects going on. Like, you see the ladder behind me? I mean, oh my gosh, it does not end. So all while we're trying to finish the greenhouse and take care of everything outside, I have to make sure I make a point of going out to protect my tender salad greens from the freezing temperatures that are coming tonight, because my lettuce bed looks absolutely incredible. So let's go take a walk to the backyard garden and see what's happening on this cold and blustery day. My goodness, this wind is crazy. I normally would open my bedroom windows on a night like tonight, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. It's a good night to go in and get things wrapped up at a fairly reasonable hour and sit down and possibly have a cup of tea. So I wanted to show you some of this beautiful heuchera that we're planting. This whole area here is going to be a giant walkway, but we had purchased the heuchera a few weeks ago. And with the temperatures dropping, we needed to get it into the ground because it was just drying out in the pots. But we're so lucky we were able to get these for $4 a piece. And the colors are so beautiful and magnificent. This is mostly a shady area during the day, which is going to be perfect for them. So as we get this area worked out, this will just be one long walkway going back to the driveway coming off of our main front walk here. Oh my goodness, it is so blustery. Wow, we have another amazing sunset happening back here tonight. Oh my goodness, it's just so cold though. These temperature changes are so severe. Oh my goodness, I have a greenhouse. Can you even believe it? Yeah, so this has been a crazy project, I have to say. We are just not getting it together as quickly as we thought we would, because all while this is going on, I'm sorry, I heard someone's smoke detector in the background. You never know what's going on around this neighborhood. We have so much going on between having to take care of birds, build this garden, manage the grass, all the food shopping, all the cooking, everything. I mean, it's just insanity. John works full time. I mean, we never end. So I wanted to get these greenhouse covers on because I think it's going to be absolutely freezing tonight. So I'll show you how these actually connect. So we have the lettuce mostly covered for the night. As you can see, it zips down and it gets all tied onto the little posts that we have. This area of lettuce does not get covered though, but with the way the weather's changing and the temperature's getting so cold, I will have to cover that. And really quick before I head in the house, I wanted you to see that my broccoli is starting to head. What a beautiful sight. Look at all these brassicas growing. This is just incredible. So I have all sorts of stuff to harvest here. So hopefully before it gets too cold, this broccoli will actually finish growing. I'll be pulling these radishes out and some kale and a little bit more kale over here. And let's just go take a quick check on things and see what's going on in the rest of the garden. Today we were supposed to be pulling out a lot of tomatoes and things of that sort, but we're not getting a chance to because we're just so consumed with all these projects. But look, I'll be harvesting my beautiful spinach today. Isn't this just gorgeous? This is saving us because right now there's no spinach at Costco and there hasn't been any for a month. So I have 2 beautiful beds of spinach that I'll be harvesting and some beautiful kale here. Look at all the volunteers of marigolds and the beauty of the mess of a winter garden. I mean, that's all petunia seed coming up, and there's things that just want to keep growing. So these are lettuces here, and back here I still have radishes and all sorts of stuff popping up. My cabbages are finally starting to head a bit, so they'll be coming up. This is red cabbage, and I don't know if you can see my amazing rutabagas. Wow! Can't wait to harvest that. That one there somehow got transplanted itself. Oh, and here's a random little radish I'm going to harvest. Harvested this absolutely perfect daikon radish. Oh gosh, this will go in my salad this week, and there's just a ton to pull out here, but it is absolutely freezing cold, you guys. I'm going to be heading in and getting everything wrapped up for the night, so I just wanted to stop in and show you what was going on and let you know that we'll be finishing up the greenhouse soon. Those videos will continue to roll until everything's done. Right now we're working on the floor in there. We're working on the outside surround with all the pea gravel and everything. There's so much going on. It's almost December and I'm just so ecstatic that I'm actually out here harvesting food at almost sunset on a freezing cold night, and it just feels really great to have this garden, you guys. So thanks for stopping in, and I'll see you in the next video.